Well, it's been 12 days now since Malaysian Airlines flight MH370 went missing. 239 people were on board, and of the passengers, 154 were Chinese. CNN is quoting a Thai official as saying the plane was almost certainly programmed by someone in the cockpit to turn west before the last words from the aircraft came. The report says the plane was ordered to change its direction at least 12 minutes before the co-pilot said, "All right, good night," to air traffic controllers. The new evidence affirms the idea by Malaysian investigators that the plane was deliberately led off course by someone who knew what they were doing. A few days ago, CNN reported Malaysian authorities saying they found no evidence that could prove the pilots intended to change the flight route after checking their computer and email records.